In this video, we'll be breaking down the bidding strategies that you can choose from when creating a new campaign. So obviously to select the different bidding strategies, we're going to click that drop down menu. And as we can see here, there are 4 different types of bidding strategies that we can use. The most recommended one, the one that we use the most often, is conversions. Essentially, this just makes Google prioritize getting you as many conversions as possible for as cheap as possible. So essentially, every conversion is counted the exact same. So a lead form submission is counted the exact same as a phone call, is counted the exact same as a chatbot conversion, is counted the same as a click to email. So if you're strictly looking for the most volume of leads in any avenue possible, we recommend that you select the conversions bidding strategy. Conversions value comes into place when you have much more accurate metrics for how valuable specific conversions are to your business. The times that this is the most effective is one, when you are able to track purchases on your website, so you know exactly how much each conversion is worth, because a conversion equals a purchase equals X number of dollars spent. And so we would know exactly how much that conversion was worth. Hence, we would know the conversion value. This is also extremely useful if you have a high priority towards specific conversion actions over others, or you know the general metric or value for each conversion. So, for example, if you know that every call to your business is worth approximately $25, and you know that every lead form submission to your business is worth approximately $2, and every email to your business is worth approximately $500. Obviously, these are made up numbers, but you get the point. If you have values associated with your conversion actions, then conversion value can become more useful. This does mean that you may receive less conversions overall, because Google will be trying to get you the most value out of your conversions, not necessarily the most conversions. So your cost per conversion may go up as compared to just doing straight conversions. The next option that we have is clicks. This is used for 2 different reasons for specific businesses. So the first reason that we would use clicks is for campaigns that are either one, just trying to get a ton of volume to their website, and their goal isn't necessarily the number of conversions, it's just getting visitors to their website. Obviously, that's when clicks would become a lot more valuable. The second option to use clicks is when you are expected to use a low budget for your campaign. If you have a low budget that is projected to get you very few conversions over the course of a month, typically the number we use is 15 conversions per month. If you are expected to get less than that, or significantly less than that, we recommend that if you're still looking to get more conversions to your business, we recommend that you use maximize clicks as your bidding strategy in order to get Google a lot more data quicker for your campaign. This will lead typically to higher cost per conversions, but you will get typically cheaper cost per clicks, hence more people to your website, which means more people likely to convert. Whereas when Google is trying to optimize for conversions off the bat and it doesn't have a lot of data to work with, it can be difficult for Google to figure out who to show your ads to that are likely to convert. So if you're still looking to use conversions, or possibly you've used conversions in the past as your bidding strategy and you just haven't seen a lot of results, Google isn't even spending your money, which Google always tries to do, you might want to use maximize clicks, which will allow Google to send more people to your site and more people to convert. And once you get enough people to convert to your site, typically around 15, then you can switch back to maximize conversions, and Google will do the rest of the optimization from there and try to get you the lowest cost per conversion. So those are the two reasons that you would use maximize clicks inside a campaign. And the final strategy that you can choose is impression share. Typically, you only want to do this if you have a fairly large budget compared to your competitors and you want to absolutely dominate your market. With impression share, your whole goal is to obviously show up as much as possible. And if we select here, we can see all the options that we have here. And what we can do here is essentially set a maximum cost per click bid limit, which basically limits the amount you're willing to spend per click. Here we can choose the amount of percent impressions that you're wanting to show up for. So, for example, if 100 people are typing in the search term lawn care in the area that you're targeting and you want to show up for 50% of those people, or you want to show up for 50 of those people, you would put 50%. And from here, you can also choose where you want to show your ads on the page. Obviously, it gets more expensive the higher up on the page you go, but this is mainly used for larger businesses with larger budgets to just absolutely dominate the competition and prevent their competitors from being shown nearly as much as them, hence getting in front of a lot more people than the other strategies would provide. So to sum it up, the bidding strategy that we recommend most often is maximize conversions. If you have a lot more information on your the value of your conversions, we recommend you use conversion value. Typically, this is just best reserved for e-commerce businesses or businesses that accept purchases on their website. Clicks is recommended if you've run campaigns in the past before that have not gotten great traction using one of these two, and you're looking to get more data into your Google Ads account in order to go back to using these two, or if the business is just wanting to get a lot of people to your website, we recommend using clicks. And impression share is reserved for businesses with larger budgets just looking to show up as much as possible, improve their brand recognition, and absolutely dominate in the search results. Hope this video helps. Feel free to reach out to us if you need any help, and we'll see you in the next video.